Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to build a website in your laptop or desktop. So let's begin our video. You don't need any kind of coding skill or no money for build a website. I'm gonna show you that step by step. So let's begin. So first of all, what you need to do, you just need to connect the internet and then open your browser. I just simply open my Chrome browser and just go to search bar and type Canva and search it. Then canva.com, open this site. So you just need to sign in with your Gmail or Facebook. And after sign in, just go to search bar and type website and then search it. So after search it, you just need to open this. Here you can see a lot of websites showing. Here uh, you can use any template, like I like this one, and I'm just open customize this channel. Well, right now you can see you can edit this, you can edit everything on here. So right now you can see there have a background photo. This photo you can change. Just go to upload section and upload an image. You can upload video or image from your PC, and you also change this sign, this text font, everything you can change. Like if you want to change it, just double click it and you can change it. And you also can change the color from here. And also you can change this photo, everything you can do on here. And you also can add more page, just click on add page. So that's it. After doing all, you can preview it, how it look like on your PC. So here you can see it's loading. You just do it couple of seconds. So retry it. Well, this is the final view. You also can see how it look like on mobile. So that's it. After doing all, just click on publish website. So right now you can use free domain or you can purchase a domain, anything you can do. I select free domain, then continue. You can edit your URL. You can type something, describe your page, and then publish it. And here you can see publish your design. You just need to wait couple of moments. Here you can see it's still loading and I'm just waiting. So here you can see your website is now live. You can copy your website URL and you can share with your friends or family. That's it guys. I hope you can understand, and in this way you can build a website without money, without any coding skill. I hope you can understand. Thanks for watching this video.